Welcome to Crochet Basics with Melissa from C. Melissa Craft and a Crafter's Paradise. For all my project patterns, tutorials, tips, and tricks, please visit cmelissacraft.com. For all my project kits and supplies, please visit acraftersparadise.com.
I'm going to show you how to do an invisible starting double crochet for the use at the beginning of a round or a row using the same color. To do the invisible starting double crochet, you would use it for the same color when you're starting a new round or a new row. I'm showing you here how to do it in the round, but in just a moment I'll show you how to do it in a row. So if you're working in the round, you get done with your last stitch and you would slip stitch into your next, into the first stitch of your round. So slip stitch. Most patterns then call for you to chain 2 or 3 if you're doing a double crochet, and then double crochet into the next stitch and use that as your starting double crochet. But it looks a little odd and out of place. So instead, I like to use this method. After you've joined your round, you would pull up a loop about the height of a double crochet. Hold the loop on the hook with your fingers so it doesn't slip around on you. Put your hook in front of, around, and behind. Continue holding onto this loop. Insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Just consider that wrap around as 1 loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So now you have something that looks like a double crochet because it is a double crochet. It allows your work to be more seamless than if we were to be working in a row. I'll show you the method again. The method is the same whether you're working in the round or in a row, except for instead of at the end of your row slip stitching into your first stitch, you would just turn your work. So we're going to turn our work, and I'm going to start this new row, but instead of chaining 3, and then proceeding along my way, it gives a weird gap. If you don't count this as a double crochet and double crochet in here, then you get a bulky edge. It's just, all right, so we have finished our row. We're going to turn our work. We're going to perform the same invisible starting double crochet. You pull up a loop about the height of a double crochet. Hold it on your hook with your finger. Yarn over in front of and behind. Insert your hook into that stitch as if you were working a normal stitch into it. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So now you have this very nice edge that doesn't have any gaps or bulges or anything that looks abnormal. So if we were to finish this row, let's just say, I want to show you it one more time. So this was our first standing double crochet, or invisible double crochet. As you can see, you would just work into the 2 loops as you normally would. Oh, that's just a pull on. You turn your work, loop up the height of a double crochet, finger on the loop, yarn over around, insert into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's how you do the invisible starting double crochet at the beginning of a round or a row.